pahle. This word in Hindi has three different meanings and it can be used differently according to the context. The first meaning of pahle is earlier. Example, पहले परिवार में सिर्फ पिताजी कमाते थे, which means earlier only father used to earn in the family. The second meaning is first. So in this meaning, the pahla or pahle or pahlii could be used according to the noun's gender and number it precedes. Example, वह पहली बार मेरे घर आ रहा है. So he's coming to my home the first time. So pehli bar means first time, and bar being feminine, it says pehli bar. The third meaning is ke pehle, which means before something. This is used as a postposition. Example, खाने के पहले हाथ धो. So it means before eating, wash your hands. So eating is khana. So khana plus ke pehle becomes खाने के पहले हाथ धो. एक हफ्ते डैश वह दिल्ली में था. Let me know the answer to this blank in the comments.